Today we're covering patio drainage issues, how to fix standing water. Here's what you need to know. Standing water on your patio damages concrete and creates safety hazards. Learn the causes, repair methods, and prevention strategies to protect your investment. Quick answer: standing water on patios is caused by poor slope, less than 1/8 inch per running foot, concrete settlement, or blocked drainage. Repair costs range from $500 for minor resealing to $5,000 for full replacement. Professional correction requires proper grading, mudjacking, or replacement with adequate subgrade compaction. A puddle that won't drain from your patio after rain is more than an annoyance. It's a sign that your concrete is failing. Standing water destroys concrete through freeze-thaw cycles, promotes algae growth, creates slip hazards, and signals underlying drainage problems that worsen with each season. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in patio diagnosis and repair, from minor resealing to full replacement with proper subgrade preparation. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from contractors who collect deposits and disappear. This guide explains what causes standing water, how to fix it, and when to replace versus repair. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, serving Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and Lake Norman areas with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews. The company specializes in patio repair and drainage solutions, diagnosing standing water issues caused by poor slope, settlement, or blocked drainage. Unlike typical concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until work is finished, and the company funds all materials and labor up front. Patio drainage repair typically ranges from $500 to $3,500 depending on the cause and scope. Resealing costs less than replacement. Proper concrete slope should be 1/8 inch per running foot to shed water effectively and prevent pooling. Moving on to what causes standing water on patios. Standing water on concrete patios results from 3 primary causes: improper slope, concrete settlement, or blocked drainage around the patio perimeter. Understanding which cause applies to your situation determines the best repair strategy. Improper slope is the most common issue. According to the American Concrete Institute, ACI, flatwork such as patios should slope at minimum 1/8 inch per running foot, or 1% grade, to ensure water sheds naturally. A 12-foot patio should drop 1.5 inches from the high end to the low end. Many older patios in Charlotte, Raleigh, and Mooresville were finished nearly flat, a common mistake that causes persistent pooling. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.